What is the fishing addicts? On today's video we are fishing the final day of practice for Lake Newton tournament. This will be a quick short video. I didn't put up the baits because on the previous video I already showed you guys what I was using. I only had three baits with me today. One of them was an underspin and flash daddy and a rattling flash daddy. So I just missed the fish on the bank. They were right in the grass. That was the weedless swim bait. That that was my first choice in the morning because they were on the shad spawn. And I didn't fish that much. I just plugged a couple of fish from this spot, and I moved on to the next one. I didn't record the intro because it would have been the same, showing you guys the same lures and the same stuff. But I just wanted to see if the pattern holds up. And right there I just made the cast again to the same spot that I missed the fish, and I got that sucker. Alright guys, first fish of the day, and as you guys see there, they're smoking them all around me. Oh no, this fish has a hook in his mouth. Oh wow, oh wow, it has a white fluke. I can't even. Come on, come on, almost there. Wow. This little fella, come on. Oh no, it's got hooked. Look at that. Wow. Hope you survive, buddy. Look at that. Oh, I know where we're gonna be. Gonna do a couple more. Gonna do a couple more casts around here. Try out some few stuff. And then we're gonna head out and fun fish. They're busting all around me. Oh my god. Alright guys, got number 2 on the Flash Daddy. Not a bad one. I'm not gonna measure it, it's not that big of a fish anyways. I see shadow playing everywhere. They're on a shad spawn. I don't think bass are spawning yet. Oh, they're pre-gaming before they do the dirty. most definitely this is a good spot to start. We didn't catch anything big. We got 2 fish, 3 fish, and got off. Oh well, it wasn't that big anyways. Caught me a little bit off guard, to be honest. And I'm going like 100 miles an hour. Gonna set the hook the right way. Been having that issue lately. Oh, come on. Alright, guys. Finally, we got a decent one. Look at that. A decent one. Nice. Alright, guys. Got a couple of these bad boys. Look at the tail. Nice and marked. Beautiful fishing in front of the grasslands. Don't snooze on it. Let's go! Guys, we're gonna go to another spot that I want to check out. And we're gonna go to the boat side. And then we're gonna see what we can come up with later. But most definitely, I think I'm gonna start from this side. All right, guys. Oh my God. All right, guys. Oh my God. You know, you have the right lure when they choke on it. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. It's probably 17. Yep, 17 and a half. And we're stuck. Okay. Whoa. I got 5 more minutes on this side, and I'm going on the other side. Let's see what we can do on the other side. All right, guys. I made it across the lake. Like I said, I would fishing off a couple of coves, and it was the same basic pattern. I did not have much shad on the shorelines busting out, but manage to find a couple of short ones. And at this point, I wanted to go across the lake to the cold side and meet up with my buddy and see how he was struggling a little bit with finding fish. And I had a spot from last week or 4 weeks ago that I fished, and it was pretty decent. So since I wasn't fishing the cold side, I wanted to see what's going on over there, and I wanted to see what he was doing that I didn't do last time because I was catching him pretty good on the other side as well. So if you haven't gotten this far, thank you for watching, guys. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. It does help me out a lot. Jot down a comment, and the next video will be the tournament day, which is a pretty good video. I would strongly recommend watching and learning from the experience. So that's it, guys. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Not a bad one.